Hey guys, welcome to PrintSage. Today we're going to walk you through how the process works once you place an order. For example, if you ordered a canvas shirt, associate will come over here, grab it. This is your canvas shirt right there. From there, we go to our production room, whether it's DTF or DTG, the process will start from there. Let me go ahead and put this back. Why don't you guys follow me this way? All right, and welcome to our production room. So on this side right here, we have our direct to film or DTF machine. Once the order is placed, it goes into our system. It'll give us all the important parts of it: size, brand, design location, front and back. It'll get printed out with the logo. It comes through right here in a film, gets processed through this part of the machine, and then pulled out and gets cut, so that way it gets placed on your shirt. Hey guys, so this is where we do the actual heat press. Once the image is cut out and printed, it gets heat pressed right over here. We have two of our lovely associates, Sumeri and Eli, over here taking care of that, what you need. So they're the ones that actually make it come to life and put the image on there, as you see, shirts being neatly folded. On this side is our direct to garment or DTG machine. What will happen is it'll start here with the pre-treatment, then it gets pressed, and then from here, neatly placed where your design's gonna go, pressed in, and then the image gets printed out onto your shirt. It gets repressed again, so that way it's nice and dry and the quality is stuck. And from there, you're all set. Easy as that. A few steps, whatever ideas you have, they come to life here at PrintSage. We're here to help with all that and your needs. All right, so as I mentioned, those few easy steps that we went through from the warehouse to the actual machines, and this is what your product will look like. This is a direct to film or DTF example. You'll see this, nice texture, vibrant colors. Nothing on the back on this one, but the logo with PrintSage. Now, an example for the DTG or direct to garment is going to be this shirt right here. Part of the material, looks great, nice quality, withstands any kind of wash. All right, guys, so we walked through the warehouse. When the order first came in, we chose a shirt. We came and watched the production area. We saw the two different types of machines, direct to film and direct to garment. We saw what the end product looked like. Now, the best part, we get it ready to get shipped out. Follow me to the warehouse so we can take a look at how they package it and get it shipped. All right, guys, so now this is where the other magic happens. Shirt's done, image is printed on there. This comes over to our shipping area. This is our DWS machine. It'll get placed in its package, sent through the machine where it'll get sorted out by carrier. From there, it gets delivered to yourself, your customers, or wherever location you desire for it. All right, guys, so as you see, that's how the shirt is made from the time you place the order to the selection of the quality of the shirt, to the image being printed on or heat pressed, to where it gets to our DWS machine and shipped out to your customer. Stay tuned. We're going to keep doing more videos like this to give you guys a good understanding and idea of how we process, how we make the shirts, and how they get delivered. Follow us Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. We'd love to have you following us. We'd love to be a part of your dreams, making them come true. Thank you.